YouTube, it's Sean. Still working on the little generator. This is part 3. I think I got to the bottom of it, and boy was I wrong. I got started looking at the values for the output off the slip rings, and I was getting half the voltage that I should have been getting, and I figured out why. The guy said it just went out poof all of a sudden. Well, I figured out why, and I was using my meter here, and I wasn't getting any continuity on this back slip ring. On this back one, well, we figured out why. Check it out. Wire burnt right off of the solder point. Solder point, let me get my flashlight here. Get it around to where we can do something with it. It's right there. Yep, right there. And yeah, well, just the tip of the wire burn off. So I'm going to see if I can't, take my little surgical dumb, and see if we can't get that wrap off that wire there. Looks like it's gotten a little warm. Yep, it popped off. So now we're gonna have to figure out that point there to that point there, and that would be the problem with the generator. And that's what's going on with it, YouTube, is it melted the wire right here, and my light's not good, but it melted the wire right here. So we'll do a really good connection from here and put some protection around the wiring, around the wire I replace it with, and we'll connect it back over here to its solder point, which would be the slip ring right there. So I looked at the voltage in the book there. I was looking at a book there for these riggings, and I was getting about half. So that means this outer ring was working well, but that inner ring wasn't, and that's why. And everything else tested good except for that rotor. But I was getting voltage out of it, so it fooled me for a minute. In part 2, you saw that I was getting voltage, but I wasn't getting the voltage I should have been getting. So there you go. We're going to connect that back up and do a good installation job on it, and we'll go from there, YouTube. Alright, that's part 3. And then we'll stuff all the parts back together and wire it back together the way it was, and should have a good working generator. We'll see. Yep, stay tuned for part 4, and we'll find out. Alright, if you guys watch this video, go down there in the corner, down there. Give me a thumbs up, guys, please. I appreciate it, and I thank you for watching. Alright, take care, guys. Bye-bye.